Sunshine. So today I have an unboxing of the, what quarter is this? It's winter, right? Of the winter Fabfitfun. Oh my goodness gracious. The holidays have me so flustered. I don't even feel like Elizabeth right now. I feel so, my mind feels so frizzled, but rest assured, I have the winter Fabfitfun. I am so excited to get into this because honestly, I compare Fabfitfun and Pop Sugar together, and Pop Sugar's box for winter was so much better than the first box that I got, but Pop Sugar and Fabfitfun are in two different price ranges, so I'm hoping Fabfitfun, the cheaper subscription, takes the day. So Fabfitfun is a quarterly subscription box. It's $50 a quarter. It's a lifestyle box. You get some beauty, you get lifestyle, which is like fitness, and you get some fashion, you get some self-care and skincare and home goods and all of that fun stuff in here. I will admit, I've already taken apart everything in this box, so we don't have to worry about packaging. I've tried to do this for the greater good. Now, I will admit that I'm a little, I don't know. I'm just gonna get into this, and I'm gonna say I'm a little bit not too sure about the quality of this box. There are some products in here that I'm like, oh yeah, and there's some products in here that I'm like, not feeling too great about. Okay, so the first thing that I received, honestly, I should probably get out the magazine to tell you the price range of this box, but I will do my best to leave pricing in the comment section down below. So the first thing that I received is this throw. I received a throw from Pop Sugar, so I was kind of a little bit shocked to see that I also got a different throw in my Fabfitfun. This throw is different. This one is not as big. It has a very different texture, and it's cream and tan, but it also has the fringe vibes going. I like this because it's warm, and I'm kind of, you know, Pigpen from Charlie Brown. Probably pretty sure he's my spirit animal. I just magically stain things, so I think this will show up and like not be as stained looking as compared to like the cream blanket that I got in my Pop Sugar box. But this blanket is very warm. Like, it feels very thin. I will have to admit, this feels like a cheap blanket. Like, I'm not very impressed with the quality of it, but it does feel very warm, and at the end of the day, I paid $50 for this box, and I'm pretty sure that the value of this blanket probably makes up for a good portion of that $50. But I like this blanket because it's very warm and it's soft. I'm not actually like super in love with how soft it is because it kind of has that like, it feels like it's gonna pill pretty quickly kind of texture, but I really like how warm it is. The second thing that I received is from Bear Paw, which is a brand that I've never received anything from Bear Paw ever in my life, so this is like my first interaction with the company. But I'm really excited because I got a pair, like, ear warmer headband, and a pair of like fingerless mittens. So basically what's going on here is you pop your hands in, and like if you need to do like the scrolling on your phone, which I need to do all the time, you have fingerless gloves. But when you want to warm up your poor little cold fingers, there's this little button right here that attaches to the top of the mitten, and then you just pull it over and bam, you have yourself a mitten. So it's a matching set. I desperately need something like this for my winter wardrobe because since my hair has shaved, I have recently discovered that apparently the ears of the tips of my ears get very, very cold. So this was a nice addition to see in the box because this is honestly something that I need and will like use all the time. And I've never seen anything like this ever before in any other subscription box that I have. So it was refreshing to see this, and that kind of like took away the bad taste in my mouth after seeing like a throw that I literally just got in my Pop Sugar box. Next thing that I've received is a necklace, and I love receiving jewelry in my subscription boxes. It's so nice. So my pronunciation skills suck. This is from Lily Sadowi is how I'm assuming you pronounce her name, but it's a circle necklace. Now I want to say off the top of my head that with like the early preview, I don't remember what Fabfitfun calls it, but with like early picks, I think you have the option to choose what color you received. So of course I picked silver because I like silver jewelry the best, but honestly this circle necklace is very simple, and I think with a black dress this would be so pretty. It looks like, I love how it looks on my skin. There we go, now it's not twisted, but you can adjust the different lengths. I put it on a little bit longer because I can't see what length I'm putting it on. I don't have a mirror. So I really enjoyed the simple necklace dainty jewelry edition in my winter Fabfitfun. I received is from Black eye mask with hyaluronic acid. Basically, these are under eye masks. It says late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let not forget those carb on carb delights can have our peepers looking not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. There are like 5 of these in this kit, which I think is really nice. I will not be using these because I'm allergic to charcoal. Recently discovered, every time I put it on my face, I have it breaks out. It's red and it's not a fun time. However, you guys know I have a giveaway going on, so this will be going in the giveaway pile. So it was a skincare option and there were 5 of them in there. It's not like you just got like one eye mask. So I was really happy to see that we got like a decent amount. Like we got a whole kit worth in our box. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a lipstick from Bite Beauty, and I have to admit, spoiler alert, this is the product that I am honestly, okay, it's like the second product that I'm the most excited about in this box, but everything you get in here is full size. So I got a full size lipstick from Bite Beauty. This is in shade Meringue, and to me, it smells like lemon lime. Like, I love the scent of this formula. I'm gonna do a swatch real quick since I already have lipstick on. But it's a nice creamy lipstick. I love how like I got full color on literally with just 2 swatches. It's so gorgeous. It's so creamy. And the scent of it's so different. Like, I love how it's not like that vanilla scent you get with a lot of high-end products, but it's refreshing with that lemon lime citrus scent. Next thing that I have is this Avana Hydration Cream Mask. Hydrate. Girl, I need this. My skin has been so dry with the cold weather and this new acne medication that I'm on and my new skincare regimen. Ooh, my skin is in need of some desperate hydration, and this is a mask, so I can just leave it on and take it off. But what I am so obsessed about is the scent. My nose literally sucks. It's the worst part of who I am. So I can't identify smells really well, but to me, this smells like a light coconut, kind of like a little bit tropical, and I love that. It's so different than like the deep dark tones that you get with a lot of like winter scented products. It's light, refreshing, and like makes me miss summer. Next thing that I'm pulling out is something else I have never received in any subscription box ever. I got 2 essential oils in my winter Fabfitfun. So these are Elevate essential oils. One is eucalyptus and the other is sweet orange with fractionated coconut, and I can never say this word right, so please don't make fun of me, but I think it's jojoba oil. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but honestly, feel free to roast me. I'm at this point, I would love to be roasted. But so yeah, so I like the packaging. I think that's very, very pretty. So we have sweet orange and we have the eucalyptus, and I have to admit the eucalyptus isn't as strong as I was expecting to be. However, I'm always talking about how I'm looking for like citrus scented anything, and I love, love, love the scent of the sweet orange. Next thing that I'm pulling out is this Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Sticks from Thrive Cosmetics. Oh my goodness. Okay, I thought it was like cosmetics, like obviously cosmetics, but it's like cosmetics, and that's really fun. But I was really loving this highlighting stick. Okay, so I just thought it was gonna be like an under eye brightener, kind of like a concealer, even though it said like highlighting stick, but no, like you can put this underneath your brow bone and it's like boom, like boom, we got some highlight up in there. It's really pretty. But if I just swatch it on the back of my hand real quick, I love this color, and for like that, me putting like 2 or 3 swatches on my hand is very reflective. I mean, it's not as like reflective as the normal highlighters that I use, but for this just being around, like to be used in my eye area, I really love how creamy the formula for this is, and I love how shiny it is. And last but not least, I received an eyeshadow palette from Pure Cosmetics. This is Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette, and oh my goodness gracious, it is so pretty. It's so pretty. Like, if we just wanted to, I just want to show you guys a quick couple of swatches because I know we're all really busy this time of year and I don't want to take up all your time, even though I love talking to you. I'm gonna show you. Ooh, okay, I'm just gonna show you a bottom row. I'm gonna show you the bottom row because that's honestly my favorite. But yeah, so I honestly, because of Boxycharm, I have a hit or miss relationship with Pure Cosmetics. Like, some of their stuff is like I'm obsessed with, and then some of their others I was like, I'm not really gelling with. This palette, I'm gelling with. Like, it's so pretty. Everything isn't, I didn't have any problem with any patchiness. I didn't have any problems with like a whole bunch of lid transfer. I didn't have problems with too much. Like, there was some fallout, but it wasn't as bad as other palettes from Pure Cosmetics I've tried. I love how warm it is. Like, I mean, I know we're all like, oh, warm palettes. But for somebody who isn't obsessed with beauty and doesn't have like a million other subscription boxes, this is a really pretty warm tone palette that you could do like daytime eye makeup that you wear to the office, or nighttime like date night smoky looks. Like, you could easily go through a couple different like occasion makeups, like date nights and holiday parties and office wear and job interviews, all in one palette. It's really pretty, and honestly, I'm really glad that I got an eyeshadow palette in this box, because I have to admit, I wasn't so totally in love with this season's Fabfitfun. I do feel like it was nice, but I don't really feel like there was anything in there that made it feel like meant for me. Like, I don't really feel like there was anything in here that I was obsessed with or really made this box jump out from like all the other subscriptions that I have. But getting the eyeshadow palette in this season's Fabfitfun kind of made it a little bit better. I won't say that it totally won me over, but I do like the quality of that eyeshadow palette, and I also love that I received a full-size lipstick from a brand that I like never get in any other subscription box. So which box do you guys think is better? Because I know I keep comparing it to Pop Sugar, but they're two of like the biggest lifestyle subscription boxes that are quarterly out there. So I have to admit, I think Pop Sugar won for this season, but Fabfitfun wasn't absolutely terrible. I'd love to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What did you think of the winter Fabfitfun? And who do you think won? Do you think the winter Fabfitfun or the winter Pop Sugar one? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.